Have you ever wondered about the health benefits of turmeric and curcumin? Well, let's delve into the world of this golden spice. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice often used in curries, holds a secret power within its bright hues. Its active compound, curcumin, is a natural powerhouse offering a host of health benefits. For starters, it's a potent anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce chronic inflammation, a silent culprit behind many diseases such as heart disease and cancer. As an antioxidant, it battles against harmful free radicals, safeguarding your cells and promoting overall health. But that's not all. Curcumin also supports brain health by increasing BDNF levels, potentially reducing the risk of degenerative brain conditions like Alzheimer's. It's a friend to your heart too, improving endothelial function and lowering heart disease risk. Suffering from arthritis or digestive issues? Curcumin might just be your ally, providing relief from joint pain and inflammation, and aiding digestion by stimulating bile production. With its wide range of health benefits, turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is truly a golden spice for your health. So how can you incorporate turmeric into your diet to reap these benefits? Let's unravel this together. One of the easiest ways to use turmeric is by adding it to your everyday dishes. Its earthy flavor enhances the taste of curries and soups, making your meals not just delicious, but healthful too. Now let's talk about golden milk, an age-old beverage that combines turmeric with milk. It's a comforting drink that brings together the goodness of turmeric in a soothing, warm cup. If you're looking for a more concentrated dose of curcumin, the potent compound found in turmeric, consider supplements. They can offer a more direct route to enjoying the health benefits of this golden spice. But remember, the body doesn't absorb curcumin well on its own, so combine it with black pepper to enhance absorption. By simply adding turmeric to your meals or considering supplements, you can tap into the potential health benefits of this golden spice. Before you start adding turmeric to everything, there's something you should keep in mind. While this golden spice holds a treasure trove of health benefits, it's essential to remember that moderation is key. Overindulging in anything, even something as beneficial as turmeric, can lead to unexpected side effects. Moreover, individuals with certain health conditions or those on specific medications should particularly proceed with caution. This is where professional guidance becomes invaluable. Consulting with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes or starting new supplements ensures that you're taking the best path for your unique health journey. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, offers a wealth of potential health benefits. From fighting inflammation to supporting brain health, and even offering potential cancer prevention, this spice truly shines in the realm of health and wellness. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, offers a wealth of potential health benefits, contributing to a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making dietary changes or starting supplements.